Hi there, it's Dennis again. With a quick install, we're going to install some mud flaps that I purchased from RPM Tesla online. There's another company that's on Amazon.ca that sells the identical one, so I will put a link in the description below. So here we go. I'll show you what's in the box and the tools that we need. So over here to the right, you can see that we're going to have some 3M double-sided tape. We're going to need scissors to cut that tape. And we've got a couple other tools here. We've got a 10 socket for the back flap, and I'll show you where that's being used. And then I've got a couple screwdrivers to pop out the pop rivets. Okay, so let's take a look what's in the box. So they provide us with a whole bunch of new pop rivets here in the bag. So I believe they're a little bit longer than the Tesla original, so they accommodate adding the mud flaps. They're kind enough to include 2 free masks. Good time for that right now. And then we've got over here, each mud flap is identified with left front, left rear, right rear. And let's go ahead and I'll take one of these out and we can take a look at it. Okay, so here they are outside of the packaging. I've paired them up so they're one's right side set and the other side is the left side. You can tell which one is the rear because it has this piece right here that bolts down to the underneath. And again, we'll show you that during the install. This probably on a scale of 1 to 5 in difficulty. This is probably a 1, pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get started. And we should probably get this done in probably, 5 minutes at most. So you can see down here, there's 2 clips, 1 and 2. Those rivets plastic rivets have to be popped out. And they line up with these 2 holes right here. At the top, there's a little clip right here, and that clips onto the fender right here. So let's go ahead and pop out these rivets. Pretty simple. Put a screwdriver in there, pop out, pull it out. Same for the second one there. There we go. And we just go ahead and we clip this piece in like that. And then we line up these 2 holes. Perfect. And we put in the bottom piece of the clip here. So just stick that in there. We get the top part. So push. One done. Go ahead, find the second one. There we go. That's the install. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like on this side. Oh yeah, that looks good. So probably, a couple minutes each. So let's go ahead and do the back one and show you the difference with that. Okay, just like the front one, there's a pop rivet here that we got to pull out. There's one. And then on the bottom, you'll see it here. There's a nut. So that's a 10 millimeter. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. That's right there. You can see it. So I'll just be taking that one out. And that pop rivet right there. So let's go ahead. There we go. Let's start with the easy one, pop rivet. And then we go. It's just the nut right there. This one does the exact same as the other one. The nut goes in here, so I'll just go ahead and place that in there. It kind of lines it up. Yep. And then the new pop rivet, one provided with, so hold on, I'll just snap this into place. There we go. Place that in the hole. And there we go. There we go. So now I'll just tighten up the bottom one. No need to over tighten it, it's going into plastic. So you just get it a little tight. And there we go. Let's take a look at this. So that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I don't need to show you the other side, but it's identical to the left side. So pretty simple stuff. Again, I'll put a link to the ones on Amazon. I'll also have a link going over to the RPM Tesla. These are the ones I purchased, but they're exactly the same ones. And then again, thank you so much for watching my review video of these Mudflaps. And if you like these videos, click the subscribe button and tap on that bell. That way you'll be notified when I post another video. I'm pretty new to this, but I'm trying to do maybe one video a week, maybe try and get two. And again, I'll also put a link down there for if you're looking to buy a new Tesla, get yourself an extra 1,500 free kilometers on a Supercharger.